Pwede po kayo magsumbong kung may makita kayo. Kami naman po, susuportahan namin kayo dahil meron ho tayong whistleblower provisions. Ibig sabihin because this is a context where you have an offerer of a purchase of the vote and somebody who also sells it, no? So kunyari kung mahuli kayo, at normally ang less guilty diyan hindi yung bumibili, yung nagbebenta ng boto, yung vote seller. Meron ho siyang whistleblower protection, ano? Hindi ho namin hahabulin kung sila ho ang magsusumbong. At nandyan din ho, this is a program which is available to those also for violators of the larger criminal laws. No, merong witness protection program ang DOJ. Ang DOJ ho ang isa sa ating mga partner. Kaya kung meron hong makasumbong at talagang pangangatawanan ang kanilang pagnanais na maging mabuting mamamayan at ipabigay alam ang kanilang nasaksihan, pwede ho natin ipailalim o isailalim sa ating witness protection program. If you have anything you need to report, our reporting channels, website is committee.contribigay@comelec.gov.ph. On Facebook, just look for COMELEC CKB, Facebook/COMELEC CKB. And we also have our Globe and Smart numbers, which you can access on our website.